Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make medium for oil painting. Gather linseed oil, stand oil, dammer resin, mineral spirits, glass jars, and a small scale, and work in a ventilated area. Measure ingredients precisely, warm the oil gently if needed, and dissolve resin fully for a clear mix. Label containers with ratios and date, and always test on scrap canvas before using on a finished piece. Start with a simple, dependable recipe. Combine 4 parts refined linseed oil and 1 part dammer varnish dissolved in enough mineral spirits to reach desired flow. Gently heat the oil to help the dammer dissolve, stirring until clear and uniform. Cool the mixture before bottling and label with the ratio. Use small test strokes to confirm drying time and gloss. Adjust with more solvent for thinner consistency or more oil for body. Protect your health in studio. Always use good ventilation, gloves, and keep solvents tightly capped when not in use. Never leave oily rags balled up indoors. Hang them to dry or store in a metal can with a lid. Keep small labeled bottles of medium for different techniques, and note any changes in smell or appearance that signal contamination. Test new batches on scrap canvas to ensure predictable drying and finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.